Innovation, versatility, and timeless design, Brompton redefines urban cycling with the all-new G Line folding bike, their first major update in 50 years. The G Line is designed to conquer diverse terrains while staying true to Brompton's signature compact folding capability. With larger 20-inch wheels and wider tires, this bike delivers unmatched stability and comfort on city streets, gravel paths, and everything in between. Portability meets practicality. The G Line folds down in seconds, making it the ultimate companion for commuters and explorers alike. Lightweight yet robust, it fits seamlessly into your daily routine. Equipped with a wide handlebar and Shimano Alfine 8-speed hub, the G Line ensures precise control and smooth gear transitions, no matter where the road takes you. Safety and performance go hand in hand. The G Line features state-of-the-art disc brakes for confident stopping power in all weather conditions. Versatility at its best. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or heading out for a weekend adventure, the Brompton G Line adapts to your lifestyle effortlessly. Priced at £2,399, the Brompton G Line folding bike is more than a ride, it's a revolution in urban mobility. Available now, your journey to smarter cycling begins here. Brompton G Line. Ride everywhere, anytime.